Hello kids, welcome to my channel and today we'll learn how to write alphabets from A to H. So without much ado, let's get started. So first I'll take dark blue color to write letter A. So let's see how to write letter A. So first I'll start from here, then down like this. This is a slant line, okay, slanting line. Then next from the top here, again down to this point, it is also a slanting line. Now from the middle I'll draw a slipping line. So hence our A is ready. A for apple. So let's go to B. I'll take some other color. Let me take this color. This is orange color. So this letter is B. Let's write letter B. How to write? First I'll start with this from here to down like this. This is standing line, okay? Then the first curved line like this. Then the second curved line like this. Hence our letter B is ready. B for baby. B for baby. Okay, let's jump to the third one, that is C. C is very easy. So I'll take this blue color and I'll start with the point here and I'll make a curve like this. C. This is letter C. It's very easy. I'll write once again C. So C for cat. C for cat. And then I'll take red color. This is red. Red color. This is which letter? This is D. How to write letter D? First I'll draw a standing line from here to here. And then a curve, this curve. Very easy. This is D. D for dog. D for dog. And this is red color. Next I'll take dark pink color. This one is letter E. Again, first to write letter E, I have to draw a standing line like this. And then 3 slipping line. 1, 2, and 3. So this is letter E. E for elephant. E for elephant. Next I'll take yellow color to write letter F. F is very easy like E, but here the third line is not there. So let's start writing. First I'll write a standing line from here to here and then 2 slipping line, 1 and 2. So this is F. F for fish. F for fish. Next I'll take light pink color to write letter G. G for grapes. G for grapes. So how to write G? It is very similar to C. Like C, we have to draw a curve from here to here. Let's draw it. So this is C and I'll draw a slipping line from here to here. So hence our G is ready. G for grapes. Let's jump to the last one, that is H, and I'll use dark green color to write letter H. So how to write letter H? It's also very easy. We have to draw 2 standing line. First 1 and 2. And in between I have to draw a slipping line from here to here, joining both the lines. So hence our letter H is ready. H for house. H for house. So hence we have completed our letter writing from A to H. I hope you understood how to write from letter A to H. So keep practicing kids and you will also able to write alphabets from A to H. See you in my next video. Take care and bye bye.